Hello everybody, welcome to my shed. Tiny little update this one, ever so short video. Remember this? Picked up on my travels, and it works, but the motor sounds a little ropey. I given one of my videos a short while back, I said, if you run out of twine, wire, lead, whatever you call it, you can use a cable tie. So while it's knocking around, thought I'll do that. But in this instance, there we go. The cable ties a little big for that. Yeah, always get it in if you put something around it. Little bit too big. Well, I had a little bit of a route about in my cable tie bag. I found a cable tie. So just the best way to do this. Went straight in. So there. What cable tie? Stick it in, I'll go and find a bit of grass and see if it works. It's a bit waggly. I wonder if there's room for two. Room for two. Ham and cheese. Yes, 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 yes. Right. Room for two. It's only a test. So I'm gonna problem. Can't fit it in. Bit of modification. The white blocks are not allowing it to go over the collar. Small notch cut out, got it past that collar thing, and everything seems to run well. Little bit lengthy, so we'll trim them off. I'll go find some grass, see if it works. Well, I found a bit of garden. They didn't go bang, at least. And it whizzes round, so I'll swap the camera around and see if I can whiz a bit of grass off. Well, that worked. So if you're ever short of strimming wire, stick a cable tie in. Bob's your uncle. Well, that was a number of hours ago. We got the beast here. Proved that it worked. So, shame. We'll have to take it to bits. Right, the pussycat. It's the, well, to be more precise, it's the pussycat deterrent. Apparently, that silhouette is a cat that's being aggressive or being defensive, depending on how you as another cat look at it. Anyway, that's stuck in my garden, and another cat comes along and it sees that cat silhouette, because cats are fake, and it's like, whoa, I'm not going in that garden, there's a cat there. And it's something to do with that, you know, the tail being down, the eyeballs being where they are, and it deters other cats. Anyway, it was on a wooden plinth stake. It's on a wooden stake and it's rotten, so that's going to get replaced with a metal stake or even a plastic one. What are we up to now? Well, it's, what is it today? 18th, 19th, 20th November. I don't know. Who cares what day it is? I'm day off tomorrow. That's Monday. So I don't need to know. Right, I'm busy. I'm a busy chap. I've 2 wood burners to make. I've also got Darth Vader to make for Christmas. Right, shameless plug. Rober Nurden, oh, I'll put that down there, does a live Google Hangouts night every Thursday, 8 PM UK time. That's, if you want to see me live, Guido live, Vince live, Jason live, Robert live, join us on a Thursday night, 8 PM UK time, till when everybody gets fed up. We've decided as a group that we're going to do a giveaway, and I'm not telling you what the giveaway is, but there's 5 of us. We've got 3 prizes. We've got a box, $15 cubby holes. 1 has already been won. Now the prizes ain't gonna be much, but the prizes are, it's something we've made. Something for you. You want it? The rules are simple. You've got to be a subscriber. A subscriber to all of us. There's only 5. Come on in on Thursday night. Say you want it. You're a subscriber. And be in for the raffle. And you'll win something wonderful. Okay, guys, waffled on enough. Oh, tell you what, last video, it's all dried out now. I have to take my glasses off. It's all dried out now. As you can see, it's absolutely full of lime scale. There was been an experiment. I was puzzled. There's like a helicoil channel. So somewhere the steam was generated. It was forced along the channels and obviously downwards. That's surprising because heat likes to go upwards. till it reached that tiny little hole which you can't see in the bottom. And I know it's that hole because I stick my finger over the end of it and I blow down that tube. We'll get no tune. That way, I do get a tune. And that's me on my way to Alzheimer's because I'm wrapped my lips around something aluminium. Aluminium. Well, Ali for short. Not so sure. That actually could be a magnesium alloy. Well, tell you what, I'll stick some acid on that. Acid? Vinegar. That's acid. Acetic acid. And if it all bubbles, it's a magnesium alloy. If it don't bubble, it's Ali. Aluminium. Aluminium. And if you're in the States, aluminium. Well, I did say, take her to bits. And bits is going to be taken. But a little shout out there to Carl Lowry. He said, let's take it to bits. Make a great slogan. Well, that's pretty true, really. Hang on. I still love this tripod. Up, down, left, right, pan. Scrap Kingdom, get yourself a tripod. You don't know who Scrap Kingdom is? Get over and have a look. Well, with thanks to Carl Lowry, that, let's take it to bits. It's gonna be me. Night and out.